Hey, what's up? This is Chris, and today we are going to build the Hibby June. This is a super fun, very unique keyboard, unlike anything I have or built before. On top, we're going to put some Milky Way Yeti. We have some HMX Shinhai Heavies. We have some Durock Stabs. So this is going to be really fun. Let's get started. The Hibby June, if you haven't seen it, is super fun. There's not much to it. Its case is a silicone molded tray, essentially. And we have some depressed screw bosses in there. But for the most part, that's it. It's very high quality, well molded. Now this is the turquoise colorway. So you can see it's like a turquoise, purple speck, really fun. Just a really fun color, really fun material, very unique. And then, of course, inside of that, we have a Wilbitech PCB, which, you guessed it, is curved. This is a 60%. That's going to drop right in there. And then this is an FR4 plate that we're going to run on top. So, and then the only other thing it comes with are the 4 screws to attach it into the tray. There's no foams, there's not a bunch of extra stuff to mess with. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is just put our switches in. We're gonna need a plate fork for that. So let's get this up here. Oh no, I didn't do the stabilizers at all. Okay, these are Durock screw ends. So the front kind of clips into the PCB. There we go. And then let's get that space bar. Okay, stabilizers are in. So we have backspace, enter, 7U spacebar, and left shift. Now we can put the switches on. Let's get to it. I'm going to put, actually, we'll clean up here. All right, now let's get this bottom row here. Well, actually, we're going to get the second to bottom row. Because the bottom row with the 7U, there's a lot of options. I don't exactly know which one they go in. So we're going to use our keycaps to help us with that. Okay, now for the rest of these, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, 4 extra. All right, we're going to use our keycaps. Let's make sure we get those right. We're going to put these 2 on top. Those are the ones we have to fix the pins. All right, let's check out Yeti by Milky Way. Oh, super fun. Oh, cool. All right, this is good. So let's see, how are we going to do this? Let's mount the board in the tray, and then we'll start putting keycaps on. Then we'll figure out that bottom row. It'll just happen naturally. All right, let's go through and snug those up. So we got 1. Actually, I'm going to go over here. And 4. Okay, let's put these keycaps on, and we'll figure this bottom row out here. Okay. Now it goes Alt, Super, Control. I think we got it. We got it. All right, then we got a mini shift and then an FN key. Okay, let's sew this Yeti back up. Very impressed with the Yeti. I think it's right at home on this super fun Hibby board. All right, well, that was really fun and easy. We got the Yeti on. I think it looks great. This turquoise is, it's just got a really cool texture to it. And let's see how this thing sounds. It's obviously the most fun looking board I have. Just right when you walk up to it, you're like, what is going on? So let's see how this thing sounds. I'll bring the mic down. We'll type out our sentences, and away we go. All right, so final thoughts. What a fun board. I'm glad that companies like Hibby like to have a lot of fun in this hobby, because this is just unlike anything that I have. And it's going to be an instant conversation starter. Everyone's going to want to type on it and check it out. And when they do, it's going to sound really good. So overall, really great job. I love the colors, having fun with it. Yeetie. First Milky Way set, I was really impressed with these keycaps as well. The packaging, the feel, the thickness, everything about them is good. So awesome. This turned out really good. Hibby, great job on the June. Yeetie on the keycaps. Divinity for making everything come together. And let's just say I can't wait to use this. All right, see ya. Peace out.